Hi, welcome to Ask Les. I'm Les. A vortex tube device is a device that takes compressed air and divides that stream up into a hot and cold stream. That cold temperature can go as low as minus 40 degrees. Vortex tubes very often come in packaged versions for different applications. A very common application is doing spot cooling on, say, tooling, doing some dry machining. I have in my hand two versions of these packaged units. One is called an adjustable spot cooler because it's adjustable. With this knob, you can actually adjust the temperature and the flow coming out the cold end, which is used to cool the product. In my right hand, I have a tool cooler. It has a little magnet to be able to stick on the machine. And then the cold air can be directed to the tool bit or any sort of area that you actually want to spot cool. The difference between the two, of course, is one is adjustable and one is not adjustable. So which one do you use? Very often we get calls for the adjustable cooler, and we try to get people to actually use the fixed tool cooler. The reason for that is because it's not adjustable. It's preset for optimum cooling. Now, the temperature coming out of a tool cooler should be somewhere between 0 and 5 degrees Celsius, depending on the temperature of the compressed air going into the tool cooler itself. The reason you want the temperature 0 or above is that if the temperature is too much lower, it may fall below the dew point of the compressed air going into the unit, and you get freezing in the unit and it'll stop working. You don't want that. The other thing is that around that range, you actually get the best cooling effect. So a tool cooler is a good choice because it's non-adjustable. If you have an adjustable unit in a production line, the problem is that somebody can go by and actually adjust it. So what happens is that somebody on one shift has it at one setting, another shift has it at another setting, and next thing you know, it's not working properly. So in a production situation, we try to convince people to use a fixed version. Now, if for some reason you want a much lower temperature, that can be also made specially preset to a lower temperature. It all depends on the application. But in a production setting, if the choice is between an adjustable unit or a fixed unit, you're much better off using a fixed unit. For a laboratory situation where you're doing experiments and testing, adjustable is quite fine. If you have any questions concerning compressed air used for blow-off, cooling, drying, moving, ask Les.